my name is Taj. Today we'll be making yummy cheese Kunafa Cupcake. Let's get started. First, we need Kunafa dough, melted butter, powdered sugar, pistachios, cheese, and syrup. Let's get started. We take out the Kunafa dough. Turn it into small pieces. After shredding it, we add powdered sugar. We mix everything. We add the melted butter. Everything very well. I'll get our tray ready. Add butter in each cup. Put Kunafa in each cup. Press on the Kunafa to make room for the cheese. We're gonna add cheese and make sure it's in the middle. Cheesier is tastier. Make sure the cheese doesn't touch the edges because it will burn. Put our Kunafa dough on the cheese. Press. We're going to put them at 350 preheated oven. 5 minutes. You see them golden, take them out. Keep your eyes on your oven. After 15 minutes, see the edges are golden. Put it on top shelf of the oven. Till it's golden, you take it out. After taking them out of the oven, we add a little syrup in each cup. Now it's time to flip. Our Kunafa looks lovely. It's time to decorate. Add syrup and pistachios. And decorating the Kunafa, it's time to taste. It's so cheesy and tasty. And thank you for watching. Bye.